Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Public Trust in AI and its Governance. Public trust in artificial intelligence and its governance is a crucial factor in the successful integration of AI technologies into society. The advent of AI has brought about significant advancements across various sectors, from healthcare and finance to transportation and education. However, with these advancements come ethical, legal, and social challenges that necessitate robust governance frameworks to ensure AI systems are used responsibly and equitably. Trust in AI is contingent upon transparency, accountability, fairness, and the perception that AI systems operate within the bounds of ethical norms and societal values. A critical element in fostering public trust in AI is transparency. Transparency in AI involves clear communication about how AI systems work, the data they use, and the decisions they make. For instance, in healthcare, AI-driven diagnostic tools must provide clear explanations for their recommendations to ensure that both patients and healthcare providers can understand and trust the AI's outputs. A study by Caruana et al. Demonstrated that when an AI system's decision-making process is transparent, users are more likely to trust and accept its recommendations. This transparency is vital for demystifying AI and mitigating fears about its potential for misuse or unintended harm. Accountability is another cornerstone of public trust in AI. AI systems must be designed and deployed with mechanisms that ensure they can be held accountable for their actions. This includes establishing clear lines of responsibility for AI developers, users, and regulators. For example, in the context of autonomous vehicles, manufacturers and operators must be accountable for the AI's performance and any accidents that may occur. A report by the European Commission emphasizes that accountability in AI governance requires comprehensive regulatory frameworks that delineate the responsibilities of various stakeholders and provide avenues for redress in cases of harm or malfeasance. Fairness is also integral to building trust in AI. AI systems must be designed to avoid biases that can lead to unfair treatment of individuals or groups. Bias in AI can arise from various sources, including biased training data, flawed algorithms, or biased deployment practices. For example, facial recognition technology has been shown to have higher error rates for people of color, leading to concerns about its fairness and reliability. Addressing these biases requires rigorous testing, diverse training datasets, and ongoing monitoring to ensure that AI systems operate fairly across different demographics. Ensuring fairness also involves engaging with diverse stakeholders to understand their concerns and perspectives, thereby fostering a more inclusive approach to AI governance. The ethical use of AI is another critical factor in maintaining public trust. Ethical considerations in AI encompass a wide range of issues, including privacy, consent, and the potential for AI to be used in ways that harm individuals or society. For example, the use of AI in surveillance raises significant ethical concerns about privacy and civil liberties. A comprehensive ethical framework for AI governance must address these concerns by establishing guidelines for the responsible use of AI technologies. These guidelines should be informed by ethical principles such as respect for autonomy, beneficence, and justice, and should be enforced through robust regulatory mechanisms. Public perception of AI is heavily influenced by media representation and public discourse. Negative portrayals of AI in the media can contribute to public fear and skepticism, while positive representations can enhance trust and acceptance. For instance, the portrayal of AI in movies and television often emphasizes dystopian scenarios where AI systems become uncontrollable and pose a threat to humanity. These portrayals can shape public attitudes towards AI, making it essential for stakeholders to engage in proactive and transparent communication about the benefits and risks of AI. Educational initiatives and public engagement activities can also play a crucial role in shaping public perception and fostering informed and nuanced discussions about AI and its governance. Statistical evidence underscores the importance of public trust in AI. A survey conducted by Edelman found that only 46% of respondents globally trust AI developers to use AI responsibly. This lack of trust can hinder the adoption and integration of AI technologies, as individuals and organizations may be reluctant to use AI systems they do not trust. To address this trust deficit, it is essential to implement comprehensive governance frameworks that prioritize transparency, accountability, fairness, and ethical considerations. These frameworks should be designed to protect the rights and interests of all stakeholders, including individuals, communities, and society at large. The role of international cooperation in AI governance cannot be overstated. Given the global nature of AI development and deployment, international collaboration is essential to establish harmonized standards and regulations. Organizations such as the United Nations and the European Union have been actively working towards creating international frameworks for AI governance. For example, the OECD's AI principles, adopted by over 40 countries, provide a foundation for international cooperation on AI governance. These principles emphasize the importance of inclusive growth, human-centered values, transparency, robustness, and accountability in AI governance. By fostering international cooperation, countries can share best practices, address cross-border challenges, and create a cohesive global approach to AI governance. Public trust in AI is also influenced by the involvement of diverse stakeholders in the governance process. Inclusive governance models that involve a wide range of stakeholders, including government agencies, industry representatives, civil society organizations, and the general public, are more likely to be trusted and accepted. Stakeholder engagement helps ensure that diverse perspectives and concerns are taken into account, leading to more balanced and effective governance frameworks. For example, the development of the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation involved extensive consultations with various stakeholders, resulting in a comprehensive and widely accepted framework for data protection that also applies to AI systems. The integration of ethical considerations into AI governance is essential for building public trust. Ethical frameworks for AI should be based on widely accepted principles such as transparency, accountability, fairness, and respect for human rights. These principles should be embedded in the design, development, and deployment of AI systems and should be enforced through regulatory mechanisms. For example, the IEEE Global Initiative on Ethics of Autonomous and Intelligent Systems has developed a comprehensive set of ethical guidelines for AI, which provide a valuable resource for policymakers and practitioners. By adhering to these ethical guidelines, stakeholders can demonstrate their commitment to responsible and trustworthy AI. In conclusion, public trust in AI and its governance is a multifaceted issue that requires a comprehensive and coordinated approach. Transparency, accountability, fairness, and ethical considerations are essential components of trustworthy AI governance. Statistical evidence and real-world examples underscore the importance of these factors in fostering public trust. International cooperation and inclusive stakeholder engagement are also critical for developing effective and widely accepted governance frameworks. By prioritizing these elements, stakeholders can ensure that AI technologies are developed and used in ways that align with societal values and promote the public good. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.